Hey everybody, Midwest Picker here. This is a what sold on eBay video. It's been a weird week. My sales have been so weird, the items I sold are so weird that Joey wanted to wear his favorite weird hat. Don't ask why, I don't know. So my name's Dave, Midwest Picker. I'm a part-time reseller, part-time YouTube content creator, full-time father, husband, RN. I make these videos to help people new to reselling, and even if you're not new to reselling, these are helpful videos called typically what sold videos, so you know what to source when you're out in the wild. You don't want to waste your time, money, and resources buying the wrong items that don't actually sell. So we make these videos to help you, also called BOLOs or be on the lookout. These aren't unicorns or holy grails, but they are items that actually sold, so it's pretty helpful when you want to know what to buy so you don't end up with giant death piles around your office. So I've only sold 7 items since my last what sold on eBay video, but the reason I wanted to make this video is because so many weird things have happened. And I got 4 weird stories or 4 weird sales out of 7, so I wanted to share those with you guys. So let's get right into it. The first item are these Thin Lizzy, weird name, work gloves. I sourced these for 10 cents a pair. That's right, brand new, sealed in the package, only 10 cents. I bought 4 of them, but I could have bought 168. That's right, 168. I even made a video about this, and I'll put the thumbnail up in the corner if I can find it. I had a chance at a restore to buy 168 pair of these work gloves, brand new, sealed in the package, 10 cents a piece, but I didn't do it. I did not pulled the trigger on this. I only bought 4 pair. Why? They were all extra small. If you know anything about men's t-shirts or work gloves or I don't know, hats, mittens, whatever else is small, medium, large, extra large, extra small is not a fast seller. They take a very long time to sell. This is a good quality glove, but you know what? I just didn't want to do it. I don't want 168 pair of work gloves that are extra small taking up space. It would take years to sell these. Now, if they were large, extra large, I would have bought them all. I sourced these from a restore about a year ago, and it took a year just to sell 1 pair. Thank goodness I didn't buy 168 pair. Sold for $12.95 with free first class shipping on top because the cost of goods was so low. Even if I have to shell out $3.85 in shipping, who cares? Still making good money. And again, I'm so glad I didn't buy all 168 pair. Weird sale number 2. HO gauge model train parts. So these are little paper envelopes, and they're really old. I would say 1950s, 1960s. So these are like little screws and little train car trucks and wheels and just pieces and parts, but they're still sealed, which is really cool. I sourced these from an in-person vintage toy auction, which is pretty recent. I'll put a picture up anyways, but if you go down about 3 videos, it's a haul video. I did fantastic. I filled the car full of stuff. That's a great video in itself. You should check that out later. So these were in a box. I think it was just a pile that the auctioneer made of train cars and train buildings. And these were just in a box of stuff. I think it was a box of ephemera, actually. So it's difficult calculating cost of goods. I divided everything that was in this pile according to my, manifest or my invoice. It's about $1.87 for this lot of new old stock model train parts. I tried to sell this as an eBay auction. So I started the auction at $19.95, free first class shipping, and let it run for 7 days. Got a lot of views, a lot of watchers, and not a single bid. Joey was about ready to cry. Did not sell. So have no fear, I relisted the exact same item as a buy it now for $29.95, and boom, sold in a day. That was so weird. They could have had it for $19.95, but oh no, that's all right. I sold it as a buy it now in 1 day, $29.95. So, weirder things have happened. But if you put an auction on eBay and you don't get any bids, don't fear, just relist it. Sell similar. Actually, this is a great lesson because I did not do sell similar. I did a relist, and there's a big difference. You've heard about sell similar, where if you want to increase your sales, you have, say, 20 items and you end the items. and then you go to your ended items list and you click sell similar. That will create all new listings, all new item numbers. It refreshes it. Everything is brand new. I do that all the time, like every other day, and it does increase sales. In this case, it was an auction that ended with no bids, but it had watchers and views. So what I did is I relisted it as a buy it now. When you do that, eBay will email all of those people and say, hey, second chance, this item has been relisted. I'm sure eBay shot out a bunch of emails to the people and it's sold. So this is the rare case where relisting an item is better than sell similar. This one's my favorite. Weird item number 3. McDonald's Szechuan McNugget sauce. I can't even say it right. Szechuan, is that how yeah, he doesn't know either. So this is a limited edition McDonald's McNugget sauce packs, I guess you call them. And this is Szechuan sauce. It's like an Asian sauce. It only comes out every once in a while and only for a few days, and you can only buy it through the McDonald's app. It's very weird. So I downloaded the app just for this because I heard all over the internet. I think Dominic, Primetime Treasure Hunter, had mentioned this on his Facebook page, that people were going crazy because they wanted it. It's limited edition. Not all the McDonald's have them. People want it really bad. It's only available 3 or 4 days and then it's gone. So I'm like, okay, whatever. So I download the McDonald's app to my phone and I pull it up and I'm gonna buy lunch, so why not? So I do a double cheeseburger, fry, and a drink. So I go to the menu on the app and I go to the sauces and I pick Szechuan sauce. And to my surprise, you can get 5 for free. But the McDonald's I was close to didn't have them, so I had to do a little bit of searching. Not too far, 10 miles down the road, they had them. So I went there, bought lunch. Sure enough, I got my 5 free Szechuan sauce. So I go on eBay and I look up comps, and they're all over the place. Some people are selling 1 pack for $20. Some people are selling 20 packs for $20. Prices are crazy all over the place. So I'm not greedy. I put 5 in a lot as an auction, starting bid $1, and they sold for $15. So that was pretty cool. The cost of goods is 0. Sourced it from McDonald's, but you can't get them anymore, so this is not a BOLO. They're gone now, so it's too late. But this was just one of those weird things. I don't do a lot of retail arbitrage. The last weird thing I did like this was Taco Bell. I got a bunch of Taco Bell taco sauce packs that were related to marriage. One would say, marry me, or one would say, will you marry me? And one said, I do, and one said, yes, and blah, blah, blah. So I put together like 12 and I called it the proposal pack because I read an article online about young men who thought it would be clever to propose to their girlfriends using Taco Bell sauce packets, like, will you marry me? And then they also include a yes or a no or whatever. I think it's pretty tacky myself, but whatever. So anyways, I collected those, put together a proposal pack, and it did sell on eBay. That was about 2 years ago. Well, this is another one. So if you read any articles in the paper about Burger King, Wendy's, McDonald's, Culver's, any restaurant that has a limited time, any Arby's, anything, some kind of sauce or condiment that they're only going to have for a week, it's a movie tie-in, why not get a bunch of it and wait for it to be ended? Wait a couple weeks after it's been discontinued. Sometimes people go crazy and they'll pay good money for it. Next item's not weird. These are Sakura brand patriotic plates. Cost of goods 57 cents a piece. I think I got these from a Salvation Army, I'm not sure. I listed these for $19.95. They've been on my eBay store for quite a long time, about a year and a half. I got a best offer of $17 plus priority mail shipping on top, so I took it. Next item is a US barber quarter, 1912. I don't even know if this is my personal collection or if I bought a whole pile of them on eBay. Sometimes I will buy 20 or 30 coins as a lot on eBay, get them home, put them in little flips and sell them individually. Don't really do that anymore because the margins are basically really poor. But this one did sell. Sold for $9.95 with free first class shipping. The reason it's free first class shipping is because literally this is like 2 or 3 ounces, super lightweight. Next item is a weird one. Royal Copenhagen. I mentioned this in the last video. Is it Copenhagen or Copenhagen? Put down in the comments, is it the American way, Copenhagen, or is it the European way, Copenhagen? What do you prefer? This is a 5-inch collector plate I got from a high bid auction. You're gonna die when you hear this. Cost of goods 18 cents, basically free. I got this huge lot of like 63 collector plates from a high bid auction, and like I said in an older video, I don't recommend you do this because it takes up a lot of storage space and it takes years to sell. But all I had to do is sell 2 plates to pay for the whole thing. These have been paid for a long time ago. Now I had it listed for $19.95. Why is this one weird? Well, I had 2 watchers, so I sent out offers to 2 watchers for $16, right? Well, guess what happened? Somebody paid full price. Happens every time. $19.95. Well, those people had a chance to get it for $16 and they didn't get it. Of course, they could have been other resellers that just wanted to watch it to see what it sold for, but I think it's pretty funny and weird when I send out offers. A lot of times somebody will buy it at full price. And that little plate is only 5 inches, so it easily went with first class shipping on top. Last item is this Mary Kay correction cream. You know, I wish I had this, Joey, when I was in high school, because I could put it on my report card and then change all those D's to B's. This is not really a flip. This is kind of getting our money back. This is from Mrs. Midwest personal collection of Mary Kay items that she just doesn't want anymore. Cost of goods is $11, but we sold it for $19.95 with free first class shipping, and this went through the global shipping program. So if you're not familiar with that, go to eBay and look that up. If you're not selling international one way or another, you're really missing out on opportunities. I sell through the global shipping program probably 2 or 3 times a month. So that's the video, guys. One quick plug for Midwest Picker Stories. If you haven't seen those yet, linked down in the description below is a playlist for my stories. They're true stories, 100% true. I was either there or they happened to me, and I just made videos about it. They're kind of hilarious, they're funny, they're gross, they're weird, bizarre. I think I've got 9 now. So if you got nothing else to do, kids are bored, turn off the video games, gather the kids around the device, the television, the laptop, the tablet, whatever you use. Click Midwest Picker Stories playlist and just watch one after the other. They're fantastic. So that's it, guys. Until next time, see ya.